Hey, welcome back to Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Vinny.
And my favorite, worst company of all time, Nikola, had a crazy week. They were up 60%, but no one read this joke of a company's reason for being up 50%, because if they did, they'd realize they're about to go bankrupt. It's actually right there. And also, their batteries are catching fire. No one's talking about it. It's kind of a problem. But no, let's just only talk about oh, we sold 12 trucks. So... Two Super Guys Trade Stocks. Okay. Full disclosure, I hate this company for the fact that Trevor Milton, when is he being sentenced?
September.
Right.
Still not sentenced, man.
Still not sentenced.
Still free man.
So I've shorted this company 4 times. It's the only reason why I'm positive, to be honest. Well, this and like TLT. Look, if I don't want to be offensive, if you are a Nikola bull, this is your chance. Just get the fuck out. It's just, I'm going to show you how screwed this company is, because the positive news is not positive. No one read it. And it's just wild to me that this is happening right now.
All right,
so
I love it.
Let's this was the thing. They're up 62%. Yeah. I found some dirt, boys. Nikola, this is the day. Let me just move my face. I have an updated graph after this so you can see, but I just want to show you the volume. Like, whew. Yeah, that's your time to leave. Get
Fair
out.
Enough.
Here's today, right? So they went up to $3. And if people are wondering, yes, I may short this. I need to hit a certain price though, because it's so low. I've already shorted it down to $1 twice. So like, I don't know what else I can do here. Don't have a current position. I might start one. I just want to put into perspective, this is what it was, right? That top red line is 94%. You see my mouse?
Yeah, I can see your mouse.
$94 all the way down to there, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what you want.
That's a great, profitable company with like technology that's truly innovative.
Yeah, and I'm not going to go into the fraud aspect or the fact that Nikola has so many third-party companies at this point that when they sell a truck, they like almost owe money. I'm not going to get into that, right? But here's the short float. This is FinViz. It says 40%. You said other sources are saying 20%. It's kind of hard.
21, yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot. Let's just go with anything over 20 is a lot. So that number is called a short squeeze. This is all the videos where I said, short this, just do it. Because this company, which is about to go bankrupt, no one's talking about it. I'm going to show you. I have said this many times. I have honestly made thousands of dollars off of doing this. I don't understand how there is still a Nikola bull found anywhere. The fact that they have been brutally lied to and still are like, let's go. I don't.
Yeah, I love it. We've been very consistent upon this message. That was my favorite thing. I was seeing all those thumbnails.
Dude, yeah, I'm like, dude, it's free money. It's all right. Each green arrow is where I said short, and I'm going to do it. And I would usually do a year or 2-year option, because when you have this shitty of a company, any good news that comes out, great example, the news that just happened, which is not good news, it could just shoot up. So I shorted them to almost nothing each time. And, it's, question mark. Am I going to do it again? Maybe. So this data is almost not possible to get anymore. I'm going to show you why. They hid it on their site. Yep. You heard me correctly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
They hid it on their site. I'm going to show you. So cash and cash equivalents in thousands per quarter. All right, so millions of bucks here. This green one is the only time they went up. They are now down to 121 mil.
Okay.
They are losing 110 mil-ish from the last quarter, and then another 80 mil, 90 mil before that, and then 130 before that. Their burn rate, as you can see in this 2022, 2021, is losing about 715 average million a year. They are almost broke. They're out of options. They're screwed.
Yeah. Well, they try to do a share raise again, and was denied by shareholders. I think beginning of this month, July 6th. It was like a week ago.
So here's the thing: if they do not get approved, it's over, and I'm gonna show you why. Do you see all these circles? This is the Nikola investor site, investor relations.
Yeah.
You know what happens if you click on those circles now?
Nothing.
Page not found. I did it on all of them. They have gotten rid of them.
Totally yeah.
You can still find them on third-party sites because they printed them, but
the SEC will have it too.
Yeah. I can't believe that this is unprofessional. Just get your shit together. So here's what actually happened.
Yeah, big deal.
So small-scale hydrogen producer Biotech agreed to purchase 50 Nikola Class 8 hydrogen fuel cell trucks over 5 years. Fucking 50 trucks, guys. Over 5 years. Let's double the price. The first 12 trucks are next year. But in return, Nikola then has to purchase 10 of this company's hydrogen transport trailers, which are also expensive. So it's literally two companies that are just like, all right, we need to show some sales. Let's each just buy each other's shit, and now we can be like, look, we're selling stuff. Even though 50 trucks, when you are losing 100 million every 3 months, does not do shit. It's not even close.
I love it. This is basically like two guys giving each other the reach around is what I get from this transaction.
This has MoviePass written all over it. This is exactly what MoviePass did. The second thing, Nikola supplier Bosch stated it would begin volume production of fuel cells, power modules, with Nikola serving as its pilot customer. These are in Nikola Class 8 truck deliveries are in Q3. Essentially, if people aren't following, Nikola barely makes any part of the car, it seems, at this point. They've just fucking this is one of the best things.
On it, okay?
Yeah, it's got a cool logo. It does have a cool logo. The Nikola CEO said they are forecasting between 375 and 500 trucks for the year and will pause production at the Coolidge facility in order to, quote, modify the assembly line to accommodate both hydrogen fuel cell and battery electric assembly. He then said, well, we actually might change to a build-to-order basis. That's code for they're out of money and they're not going to run the assembly line. That's what that means. They have 120 million left. Want to know why else?
Yeah, why else? Tell me more.
Sure, I'd love to. 3 weeks ago, if you guys aren't in Arizona, Arizona's very hot. You have to have a very stable battery. One, as you can see, this is 10% of their inventory. That's great. But there's there's a fire 3 weeks ago. Nikola PR suggested foul play, but the Phoenix department found no evidence at all of arson. Direct quote. The batteries may have caused the fire.
Nikola suggested foul play. The only person probably interested in that would be them doing it to themselves for insurance money.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. What do you think? Elon was seen running from the scene with a gas can.
Oh yeah, he's real intimidated by them. Those trucks are melted. It's probably because it was, this was 3 weeks ago where I hit 123 or whatever. I don't know if that actually has anything to do with it. I'm not going to pretend to know. But this is the most important slide. Just look at their burn rate. If you are a Nikola bull, this is your chance. Dude, look at the numbers. It's over. Just get out of the company. I by the way, I lost a shit ton of money on Fubo. I get it. I say it all the time. Just learn from your mistakes. I will short this company if they can get up to about $4. It's almost not worth it to short at $2.25 where they're at. I need some meat in the bone. I need something there if I'm going to take a risk.
Enough. Yeah.
If they hit 4 though, it is free money. So I don't know why not.
So buy Nikola stock so it'll go up. That's the lesson here. Then we can short.
I'm gonna go with Nikola bulls. Would think that's a great idea. So
they may.
What do you think, Vinny? You into Nikola?
No, man. I thought this company was complete utter ridiculous garbage from the day one. If I actually want to believe in hydrogen tech, I would buy Toyota. Okay.
Yeah, that would make sense. It would make a lot more sense. All right,
Yeah.
guys. Let us know what you think.